Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day, where I have $100 in prop money and some long-term savings. So let's get started. We are getting started with say $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. So I'm going to roll my colored die, and we in pink. So pink, let's go ahead and do the 24. And this is saving for taxes for next year. 24. 20. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Next is vacation. How you guys doing? This month has been kind of hectic with graduation and everything. This month is kind of all these ceremonies and things that we have to go to. It's been kind of non-stop. So let me see. Next we got mint dough, say $1,200, and let's say, let me see. Let's roll a 20-sided die. Because I think I already, because I was going to save $600 for this vacation and save $600 for the next vacation. But I think I'm already past $600. So we just gonna roll. We got a 10. Oh, I didn't turn the light on. Can you guys see? Hold on. Let me make it so you guys can see. Hopefully that's bright enough for you guys. So $10. I was in here vibing. So let me see. Do we have a 10? No, we got 11 up there. I can do this 9 and this 1, but I want to finish this. Why did I even roll? I don't know. So let's do 11. Let's do 11. So 10 and 11. Yeah, let's go and see how much we got so far, because I think I already got the. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 70, 81. So 681. Wow, almost $700. So trying to see. Should I just do this 9, 2 to make it 690? Should I? Well, we'll come back. But that is something good. Almost 700. All right, next we got senior year, which is crazy. My baby is graduating on, I think by the time you see this, it will be next Thursday on the 21st. So this is save $55 from Budget with Carly. Your life is about to be overflowing with blessing and prosperity. Let me see. Let's do this one. So I got a 3. And let's do this one. Ooh, a 9. It's $12. I feel like I still got my morning voice. 10, 11, 12. So $12 is going into this one. Next, we got month ahead. And let's see, month ahead is created by Champaigne's Corner. And we need to dice Where is, I need a different color. Where is all my dice at? Okay, let's just do these. So we're gonna do purple on the top. And we got 6 and 1. 6 and 1 here. That is $5. Let's do that again. 3 and 6. 3 and 6 is the rain cloud for $10. So that is $15 going into this one for month ahead. Okay. Next is emergency funds. And that is the budget introvert. This says $1,200. And we're just working our way through the book. And let's put this back. All right, so we are doing, this is even or odd. So let's finish down here. Let's do these two. So we are going to say this roll die is going to be even. Nope, it's odd. So odd is $2. 1 and 2. Another roll, we're going to say even this time. And it's even. I think I said even last time. So even is $4. So we're going to put $1 back, grab a 5. All right, and let's see, let's color in an ice cream cone for $5. And this page is $100. And of course, this one is a mystery. So let's go ahead and color our ice cream. Did you guys have a great Mother's Day? Mine was really chill. I loved it. That's all I wanted to do. I got to craft and everyone left me alone. I created some new beaded items that I can't wait to share with you guys. There will be some new paper clips. And I'm working on some jewelry pieces. Yes. So we have $5, $10, $11 going into our emergency funds. And quick question. Okay, I was thinking about this. See, I need some help. I need some advice. So I want to start selling some beaded jewelry items. Bracelets, necklaces to start off with. I don't know if I should offer them on my Etsy shop I have now, or should I completely open another Etsy shop? Should I do that? I don't know. What do you guys think? Give me some advice, some suggestions. Let me know. I think I was just thinking like I should just put it all on my Gem City Budgets Etsy shop, but then I was like I should just open a completely different one and sell all my jewelry pieces there. Just let your girl know. Let your girl know. I need some help. So stay tuned. I really do need some help because I don't know what to do. I keep going back and forth. Okay, we got the most basic saving challenge here. This is saving for student loans. So we are working on is this the third $100? I think it is. Yes, this is our third $100. So let me get my D8. Where are you? I feel like somebody been messing with my stuff. AKA my husband. Let's see. Let's roll that. We got a 7, so we can do. Should we just do 6 and 1? Yeah. So let's do. You know what? Let me do that in this color. I don't know which color I use. So let's do this 6. Perfect. And let's do 1. Let's do a 1 in this row, and let's do that orange. All right. Did I get the money out? Nope. Should I do another row? 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, let's do another row. Oh, that is 8. Jiminy Crickets. Why did I put those away? Let's get the ones I was using back out. And let's, oh, well, I don't need to do all these colors because I got one here. So we're going to do that one yellow. Let's do this 8 right here. All right. So let's get the 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. And the most basic saving challenge. I've been trying to get more stuff. Oh, did I say this is from Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube? This is available on Amazon. I was trying to get some stuff on her last drop, and it went kind of quick. I was like, oh man. But that's my fault. I always wait till last minute, going back and forth. Do I want this? Do I need this? Da 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 da. And then by the time I go to checkout, it's gone. Girl. So what I say? 15? Yeah, I think I already count that. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that's how much we got in all. $20. I'm like, hold on, what happened in here? Okay. We still got some dollars left. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. $12. Let's save that wisely. We don't have to do that one. Let's go to, I should just put in vacation. Let's scratch one here first. Let's go. Let's go here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's a hot 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Got $4 left. All right. All right, let's go back to vacation. All right, I think I said, what, $4? Yes, so let's go ahead and put that 4. Of course, where is a 4? Do you guys see one? Is it a 4? Oh, I'm about to say, is there a 4? All right. That's going on in there. Vacation is coming up and I can't wait. All right, gems. That is $100 put into my Girl with Grades binder. All right. Yeah, please help me out. Help girl out. Let me know what should I do with selling my beaded jewelry. And yeah, thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.